So, hi. So when we moved to this our new villa, we knew what we wanted. So about the interiors or the thoughts we had in mind, but bringing it to life, it was really challenging. We had how we wanted to design, how we wanted it. Everything was seemed very complex for us because it has to be aesthetic. At the same time, it has to be like a daily use, like how we can use it on a daily basis, the utilities, the crockery unit, and the kitchen, everything. So that is where Woodlabs came in the picture, and that is where my husband, with the interior people, he designed. We had the thoughts, but bringing into life, definitely, Woodlab Interiors got into the life. They made it to the life like what we wanted. So that is where now you can see all the interiors, how it got decorated with the aesthetic colors, and even the storage for our daily use, which was not easy for anyone to do it in a shorter span with a good quality of material. That is where we are like very happy with the interiors we made to our home because they brought into our life.